leading barbecue restaurant chain Absolute Barbecues, AB's opened its 48th restaurant on the 4th floor SLN Plaza, Kompally on Wednesday. With this, AB's has made its 7th foray into Telangana. AB's, which started in 2013, is already a well-known brand in the barbecue space with a presence in 20 cities in India with multiple footprints. The company runs 2 restaurants in Dubai as well.
Welcoming you all to the first look and feel. It's a curtain raiser for our 9th outlet in APTS, the 7th in Hyderabad, right here in Kompally. Based on our consumer demand, we have made a decision to open this restaurant. So this is the first look, as I said. It has been done with a lot of interest and a lot of love and passion. Be it the interiors, be it the food, be it the service experience, all put together, it is going to be an experience that you will take back home and will relish for a long, long time to come. Having said that, Hyderabad is a very strong market for us, and we are very positive about the response. And last few days experience has been overwhelming ever since we started, trying out the food being served to a few consumers that we had invited. So looks like a very good start. We'll keep our fingers crossed and we'll add many such restaurants in this part of the country. The seating capacity is 130 seats. Okay. We generally take reservations in few slots, which is basically the modus operandi is such that customers take at least 1.5 hours to dine. So somebody who is seated at 7 o'clock in the evening will probably take time till 9 o'clock to end his meal. So because it's an unlimited format, so that's why we again take reservations around 9:30 in the evening. All across Hyderabad, the prices remain the same. We don't believe in jacking up the prices just for the heck of it. It's a long story that we have to achieve. We have to have that kind of sacrosanct, pricing all across the city, so that customers feel that they can go anywhere. They are not constrained by any particular location.
Welcome to AB's Foodland. Absolute Foodland. So we have came up with an open kitchen and variety of food serving and cooked in front of you. So welcome to Kompally, the food place.